Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO, a platform for managing digital media like videos, audio, images, and documents on a branded portal. For this tutorial, we'll be using our portal for LexCorp, a fictitious enterprise, as an example to help you understand how VIDIZMO works. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can use analytics to monitor and analyze portal activities in VIDIZMO. Analytics help to understand what viewers think of your videos and how you can maintain or improve your content. To view analytics for the entire portal, click on the hamburger icon on the left corner of the top menu bar and select Reports Dashboard under Admin on the menu. Similar to the analytics for an individual media file, you can also choose to view these analytics for a specific period of time. Under User Engagement, you can see the aggregated number of views, viewers, time played, and completions for all videos. Completions show how many times any video was viewed till the end. You can also see which videos were most popular with your audience under Top Videos and who has uploaded the most content under Top Contributors. You can also check which viewers show the most interest in your content under Top Registered Users. Here, the engagement trends shows the aggregated number of impressions, views, completions, and time all the videos were played for in the portal during the specified period of time. Impressions refer to how many times any video was opened for viewing. You can also view a comparative list of impressions, views, completions, and time played for each video under the video's summary. You can compare which videos receive more attention and are popular with your viewers. These interactions can be viewed for each user under the User Activity Summary, so you can see which users are most interested and engaged with your content. Interactions by anonymous viewers are combined and listed under Guest User. Engagement Trends, Videos Summary, and User Activity Summary are all downloadable for offline viewing. Under Audience Overview, you can view how your audience interacts with your content through aggregated views, impressions, completions, and total time all the videos were played in your portal. Some users may use their phones or tablets to play a video instead of their desktop for convenience or comfort. The top devices chart shows these interactions based on the device used. Similarly, the top browsers breaks down these interactions based on the choice of browser by the viewers. These charts help to gain an insight into user trends and preferences for viewing platforms. The demographics show the location from where viewers interacted with the video, so you can see where and what kind of viewers interact with your content the most. Each of these analytics is viewable in graphical or tabular view and downloadable for offline viewing. Under the Content Interaction tab, you can see the number of aggregated likes, comments, favorites, and shares all your videos have received to get an idea about the level of engagement and interaction between your viewers and your videos. Under the top videos, you can see which videos users have engaged with the most based on likes, comments, downloads, and similar interactive feedback. You can also see the most recent activity that has occurred in your portal, such as when someone likes a video, under Recent Activity. Portal statistics show the number of times your videos have been downloaded or embedded to another web page for sharing. They also show the number of times viewers filled and submitted forms you may have attached to your videos. Going down, you can view the interactivity trends that show the aggregated number of likes, comments, and other ways viewers have interacted with the videos in your portal during the specified period of time so you can know when your video received the most attention and responses from users. Here, the video's summary shows a comparative list of videos based on the number of likes, comments, and other interactive responses they've received from the viewers so you can check which videos have received the most interactions and responses from viewers. Similarly, the User Activity Summary shows a comparative list of the total number of times a user has liked, commented, shared, or has directly interacted with your video content in any other way. You can see which user is the most active and responsive to your videos in the portal. Interactions by anonymous viewers are combined and listed under Guest User. The feedback summary displays the number of feedbacks, such as queries or concerns regarding your video content in the portal throughout the specified period of time, so you can analyze and evaluate on what changes and concerns you need to address regarding your video content. The Performance tab displays results regarding the performance of the media and gauge the quality of experience through metrics such as the aggregated number of times all videos were played and the number of errors that occurred when playing a video. Using the player load time chart, you can view the time it takes the video player to load to evaluate the efficiency of the network. Local refers to viewer attempts within the internal network, while unknown refers to attempts from an external network, so you can compare network efficiency and evaluate your performance. The cache hit ratio shows how many viewers access the portal directly or through another server to evaluate the portal's connectivity. Using the charts for device buffering and device errors, you can analyze why viewers prefer to play videos on a desktop, mobile, or tablet by comparing the number of attempts to the number of errors that occurred when trying to play a video on each device. Similarly, the buffering and error heat maps help compare the attempts to errors ratio when loading videos depending on the location of the viewers. This helps detect and evaluate connectivity issues from a geographical location. Finally, the video's quality graph shows the level of quality at which viewers prefer to watch videos to help understand viewer preference and demand for video quality. All of these graphs are viewable in graphical or tabular view and downloadable for offline viewing. Well, that's all for this video. If you want to learn more, check out our guide on users and group management to learn about adding users to a portal, creating groups, and the basic features of a user. Stay tuned until next time.